In a separate small bowl, add yogurt. Prepare the spice mix by adding red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala, salt, crushed garlic, ginger paste, dried fenugreek leaves, and a little lemon juice. Mix all the spices well with the yogurt until a smooth paste is formed. Pour the prepared spice and yogurt mixture over the fish pieces. Using hands, wearing gloves as shown, gently massage the masala onto each fish piece, making sure all sides are well coated. Add gram flour, besan, on top of the marinated fish and mix again thoroughly so the masala sticks properly. Cover the bowl with a lid and let the fish rest for marination for some time. Heat oil in a frying pan on medium flame. Once the oil is hot, carefully place the marinated fish pieces into the oil one by one. Fry the fish on medium heat until the bottom side turns golden brown. Flip the pieces gently and fry the other side until crispy and evenly cooked. Once the fish turns golden and crisp, remove it from the oil using a slotted spoon and drain excess oil. Serve the hot, crispy fried fish immediately.